Hi, what if we could analyze the impact of price change on thousands of components in less than 5 minutes? Well, here is what your existing process looks like. You receive the price amendment request from your supplier. You then look out for the cost card from your humongous data pile, and you actually do the price amendments manually. Once you do these price amendments, then you go on to analyze the impact of this price change to child parts, components, sub-assemblies, assemblies, all the way till the FG level. Once done, you then push this particular price change to the approval authority via email and wait and wait. You then receive this particular price change approval from your approving authority. You go onto the ERP and make the changes and finally raise the PO for the supplier. But in our opinion, this particular process is absolutely old school, it's primitive, and it's error prone. Now see how this changes from days to hours with Costed Right. You change the price in the master data just once and immediately check every cost card which is impacted by that change. You run the amended price simulation in Costed Right and immediately analyze the impact on the price of all the relevant parts, sub-assemblies, assemblies, products, along with its impact on FG and profitability in just one click. Now send these cost cards for approval within the application itself, along with history of the price change of the vendor and the impact on finished goods. Upon approval, the PO and the price both gets updated automatically in the ERP through its integration with Costed Right. Or simply put, just one entry and a few clicks, you can make the change, analyze every impact at each level, and even raise a PO with Costed Right. And this is just one part of the entire platform. With over 10 years of solid nurturing, Costed Right has the potential to completely transform your costing and business for good, just like it has done for numerous other businesses till date. Thank you so much.